Hello Raj and Engage team. So I prepared a short video just to show you what I'm facing, the problem that I'm facing, and the solution that I can propose in order to solve this problem. So how did I identify the problem? Is that I use a tag assistant, the new version, the tag assistant companion, and the old legacy version. You can see here, the problem is that no Google Tag Manager is detected here. You only have the gtag.js, which only works for Google Analytics and Google Analytics 4, but it doesn't, it doesn't load Google Tag Manager. Okay, so even this as well, when I try to connect, using the new Tag Assistant companion, it just doesn't load anything. I won't be able to, to do anything. That is why the tracking script and everything is not working, because the Google Tag Manager snippet is not even there to begin with. So you might ask, didn't we already have the Google Tag Manager? So if you search this, isn't this Google Tag Manager? So it is not. It looks like Google Tag Manager, but what it's doing is taking the gtag script, which only works for Google Analytics. So you can see here there is an article that actually mentioned about the confusion that happens during installation, where people are confused between, isn't gtag is Google Tag Manager? No, gtag is only a script by Google Tag Manager. So Google Tag Manager is like the master umbrella, and gtag is just one of it. And gtag is used when you're trying to push events tracking directly in the code. So for example, if you want to track page views, you want to track button clicks, and you want to control that from the code directly, that's why we have gtag.js, which is a script coming from Google Tag Manager. Same guys that built the tool, provide you with gtag.js. So this doesn't mean that when you have this installed, this doesn't mean that the Google Tag Manager is loading. Okay, so what you'll need to do is you will need to go back to the Tag Manager. Second, where's the Tag Manager? There we go. So you will need to copy this code here and paste it on the head, and then this one as well after the opening body tag. So you will need these two installed in order to solve this problem. And then once this is installed, and remember, you don't have to delete this part. This is still needed. You can actually install it separately. Basically on the head here, this is the head area. So you can install the Google Tag Manager there as well, and then near the body, and add another line, here, after the opening body tag. So this is the only thing that you need to do in order to solve the problem. So hope this explains. All right.